MovinCool, brought to you by Spot Coolers. Choosing the right solution for the right situation. The best made better. New MovinCool Spot Cooling units offered by Spot Coolers are now designed to perform even smarter and harder. Both the Climate Pro K and Climate Pro X feature user-friendly controls with menu-driven operational information. Sleek new styling, improved bumper systems, and larger casters for ease of movement. MovinCool Climate Pro K Series. Designed for server rooms and offices, ranging from 1 to 5 tons. Lower ambient temperatures starts at 65 degrees. Automatic operation for after hours and weekends. A range of optional accessories are available for purpose-specific situations. MovinCool Climate Pro X Series brings spot cooling to workstations in the hottest environments. Well suited for manufacturing floors, distribution centers, and shipping and receiving bays. Operating range of 70 degrees to 113 degrees. Cool, dry air delivered through directional nozzles at high velocity. Can be configured for dedicated workstations or multi-station cooling. Nozzles are quick connect, twist on, twist off, and can be positioned on front of unit as shown, or top mounted. The Climate Pro family of units also includes 1 and 1.5 ton heat pump units. For more about which solution is best for you, call 800-367-8675 or visit spot-coolers.com.